come around here. Alright, good. You know, my bike is so tall. I gotta get my leg over it. Always wear your helmet. I think that camera's situated good enough to give you a view. Alright. Now we're going to start off on pretty slow speed. I'm not going to hit high speeds on this run, just because you're going to have difficulty hearing me and everything if I do. Hopefully you guys can see really well in that view. Probably can't see the screen real well on the mile per hour that I'm going. This isn't mounted really well, but it does the job, so I'm leaving it as it is, but I gotta get a special setup for that. Alright, here we go. Gonna put it into 9 and go balls to a wall here. Ready? Woo! Go on the sidewalk, so sketchy with these brakes. These brakes suck. Woo! Suck. Oh. That's why I don't like riding sidewalks too much. They're not very e-bike friendly. Especially around this area. Woo! Whoa, what's going on with this back over here? Do some pedaling. And the sidewalk's screwed up. Gotta get better suspension. The suspension I got on here, on this Cannondale, I got the headshok suspension, stock welp. Yeah, it pulls real hard, especially in the gear I'm in. I'm going to turn off electric right now. Actually, we'll just go in first speed. That's one thing I like about this setup, is you can control the speed of the pedal assist. So like right now I got it in 1, and you see it's pain. It's a real slow like cruise, almost like you're riding a bike, like a regular bike. You know? And like at this speed, it's actually chill. I like it. Like people like always think like, oh, not e-bikes, you're always going fast. No, not necessarily. Like, this is chill right here. I'm good, you know. It doesn't bother me to go slow. I actually sometimes prefer it. What I like on the e-bike is to go just fast enough to where the wind's cooling me down. We're in South Florida, it's hot as balls out here. But, you know, then you have the option of turning it up and going fast. Like right now, what I'm gonna do. just fun. Stand up. Oh, I hate the sand right there because sometimes it'll slide out. Doing about 28 miles an hour right now. Which isn't bad. I can do up to 48 if I switch gears, but I keep it in a low gear. The reason why I keep it in a low gear is it stresses the motor a lot less, and it uses less power, gives me more torque, and you know, really the bike's not meant for high speed, so why go for high speeds on something that ain't meant for it? You just ask it for trouble. I could bring it up to 45 miles per hour though if I go into a high gear, but I only do that really when I'm riding on the road in a long straightaway. Woo. I gotta let some air out from this shock because it's got a lot of preload on it. I had to add a lot of air in the shock for all the weight of the e-bike. You know what? I'm gonna go this way. I never go this way. I'm gonna go down North Lake. I'm gonna lower the speed down some, so because I know with the wind noise, you're probably gonna have a hard time hearing me over all that. I'm gonna actually do some pedaling. So yeah, with this bike, the way I have it set up right now, its main use is just to get around right now, but what I eventually want to do with it is set it up to be a off-road track style, downhill track style bike. I got a new fork to put on it, better suspension because the suspension is pretty much shot. The suspension on this bike is from 1997, so it is, let's see, 10, 20, almost 30 years old. So, given that it's almost 30 years old and I still can get some use out of it, that speaks to the quality of Cannondale stuff. Any other bike with 30-year-old suspension, I guarantee you wouldn't work. Without rebuild, at least. And then rebuilding this suspension is just, it's such a pain in the ass, it's not worth it. See, I don't mind going this slow, I really don't. It doesn't use a lot of battery, and when you're going this slow, your range is a lot more. So going this slow, I can go all day on a battery. I can literally probably go over 100 miles on this battery going this slow. It'll take me all day to do that, but it'll take you 10 hours to do that at this speed. Going 12 miles an hour. Usually what I'll do is cruise around 20. 15, 20, actually not like 20, 25 miles an hour because that's the speed it takes to keep it cool. Keep the breeze going. Hoping to see some of my fellow biking buddies out here, but nobody's riding today, it looks like. You'd be surprised how many people you run into when you start riding all the time like I do now. I ride almost every day now, and bump into people riding bikes all the time. It surprises me how many people actually ride bikes these days. Especially during the pandemic, a lot more people have been riding. speed up a little bit here. Go up to, right now we're at third, level 3, 16 miles an hour. We'll go up to 20. That's good right there. 18, 19 miles an hour. Still not using very much power at all, really. Damn, I didn't realize they have such a wide bike lane here, but honestly, you'd be a little bit crazy to ride out there. I don't know. Get all the debris on it, though. People go flying down this road, though, so I don't even know why they put a bike lane there, because nobody's really going to ride on the street. Not on this road. Not with the way that people drive around here. They need to put some stoplights or something out here, some traffic control devices. Slow people down some. Not much to look at. You know what? I want to go in there and check that place out. I haven't been in there ever. It's kind of what I like to do when I ride my bikes. Is I like to go places, check places out, go places I've never seen. And to do that in a car, I just feel like waste gas, waste money, just to go sightseeing in a car. On the bike and do it, you know? We'll go over there and check out that neighborhood that they built. Whoa. Going a little too fast for those curves. Go through the grass. Whoa. Little dip there in the grass. I wasn't expecting. Turns are a little bit hard to navigate when you're going 20 miles an hour. They look easy, but they're difficult. It's amazing to me how much more power this bike uses to go 10 more miles an hour. If I were going, alright, so like right now I'm going 18 miles an hour, right? 19 miles an hour. I'm barely using any amps. I'm using like 1 to 2, and then it spikes up to 5 amps, right? But if I were to go 28 miles an hour, which is like full speed in this gear, it'll be using 14, 15 amps, like triple the power. You're not going triple the speed, you know? So, just speaks to the waste of going fast. How much going fast wastes battery. Alright, so we are going to go into this new neighborhood right here called Ancient Tree and check it out. So, never been in there. Glad I brought my helmet. Should have brought my wallet just in case I want to go get a drink at the store. Oh well. I think I'll be alright. There's a golf course and a restaurant. I want to go to the other part. I've been through this part right here. If I film my drone through this whole neighborhood right here. Not much down that way, so we'll go this way. I want to see if they connected it all the way through. Alright, we're gonna go full speed because I'm getting hot. It's a nice neighborhood. All brand new homes. I love when this pavement's nice and smooth like this, no bumps. I love it. Especially when I'm on my longboard. Ooh, I don't like sand like this though. That's where the tire will slip out from under you. I don't even know if you guys can hear me talking with all this wind. And dead end. I was hoping this went through. Cool little solar panel. That'd be cool if they put like a little solar charge station for like EVs and bikes and stuff here. That would be so cool. Might as well, you got a solar panel, you know? Probably for like a light. Ooh, ninth gear has some torque when you put it down. And that's a nice little setup right there with the cul-de-sac. Wonder if they're gonna build more houses around that. That's the golf course over there. A little public golf course that you can go to. It's a nice neighborhood. Really nice. See what's down this way. I need to put my e-bike brakes on this because these brakes suck. Man, these houses are nice. Tesla. Only used 7% of my battery so far, which is crazy. I'm so used to going full speed and using a ton of my battery. I don't have underwear on, so wearing jeans with no underwear is a little uncomfortable. That might be some TMI right there, but I just came out of the pool and I went in my underwear. And these shorts on didn't really feel like going upstairs. I know, TMI, I know. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Nah, fuck it, I don't care. Think what you wanna think. I like free falling. If you don't like it, fuck you. You ain't gotta watch my video. Look, nice little playground over here. I want to check that out. That's cool. Cool little playground. Let's see what this side light goes. Turn the power down some. Oh, I turned it all the way off. Oh, nice. Nice little playground. Tennis court. This is gate. Interesting. Electric gate. With a hydraulic lamp. I guess you need a key card for it. That's interesting. Didn't realize that was there. Nice pool. Go swimming here. It's crazy because they leave the gate open so anybody can just come in here and go swimming. Nice playground. Nobody really lives here yet, so that's why everything's still nice. Playground. A good neighborhood if you got kids. Real nice barbecue grill. Wow. Real nice pool area. Man, this neighborhood is sweet. I heard the guy that built this the ex-Miami Dolphins football player, the guy that owned the construction company that built this. So my pops told me. It's a nice pool. Check that out. Got a clubhouse, looks like, with exercise equipment probably. Oh, and that's where all the mailboxes are. Man, this setup for this complex is really nice. I mean, if you're paying almost $500,000 for a house here, yeah, it better be nice. Right? Oh, they got bike racks. Nice. Well, let's start riding up here more often. Maybe go to the pool. Man, it's real nice. See, this neighborhood has such nice sidewalks that you can actually ride a bike on them and not have to worry about hitting a bump that's going to send you flying. Like my neighborhood. My neighborhood sidewalks are so bad you don't ride on them unless you're like pedaling. If you're pedaling, it's fine because you're not going that fast. But, wow, this is a nice area. I'm getting lost because there's so much back here. Okay, I think I already came this way. Oh, that's a nice canal. I believe I did already go this way. I don't know how to get to that section. There's a whole other section over there that I wanted to check out. But I guess this neighborhood don't connect to that neighborhood, it seems like. Sticky brakes, sticky brakes. Even their bus stop is nice, but I don't get why they have a bus stop when there's no bus. There's no buses that come out here. Maybe a school bus in the morning, which is nice to have if you're a kid. Really nice actually to have that. I guarantee you if I ride down this sidewalk, it's gonna end right in the middle of nowhere, right? My luck. Wow, look at this sidewalk, how wide it is. Holy shit. That's awesome. That is fucking awesome. Whee! Fuck yeah. Oh, this is fun. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh man, I wish they made them like this everywhere. This is awesome. Whee! That scared the shit out of me. I'm falling. Alright, now, here's the other. Ooh, look at that. That is cool. That's fun. Oh, look at that. Isn't that dope? That's beautiful. That is dope. Oh man, I wouldn't go swimming in that. That's how clean. Oh, I think you can. That's why there's steps going up to it with handrails. I mean, why would there be handrails going into it if you can't go swimming in it, right? Man, I like these sidewalks, boy. Tell you what. I'm just hoping I don't come to an unexpected big, huge hole. That would suck. Starting to sweat a little bit. Alright, let's see here. Oh, there's different sections. Interesting. What was that? Sounded like a flat tire. That's dope. Look at this fountain. This fountain is dope. Wow. I feel like dipping my face in that right now. Let's go check these houses out. Wow, this whole area is so nice. Again, this is ancient street to the new complex they're building. Still building it. They've been building it for a while now. Yeah. It's parked out in the middle of the road like, hey, don't mind me. Wow. Look at the gate. Oh, this must be the models. That's why they got gates. Interesting. Interesting. Area is so nice. Smells like new homes, like lumber. Fresh cut lumber. Oh wow, I just see a nice little playground area over there. Man, these are beautiful. Look at that siding, I like that. That is so cool looking, that wood siding. Wow, that's tile, but it looks like wood. That is cool. Wow, those guys do good work with that stone. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, not much over here. Oh wow, look at those tennis courts. That's a lot of tennis courts. Man, this place has so many damn tennis courts. And the sad part is, I guarantee you, no one's going to use them. They could use that space for so many other nice things people would actually use. A lot of dirt here. I ain't gonna go up in there. It's not finished. Interesting looking though. Gotta be careful around here with all this sand and dirt on the road. See what we got over here. Starting to get a little hot. I might start heading back soon, but let's ride through a little bit more of this and then I'll decide. I really want to dip my head in that fountain though, to be honest with you. Pull my head off a little bit. what's back there? Ooh, damn. Oh, they got a nice bike path. Nice. Nice urban planning to put a bike path in. Good thinking. I like to see that kind of stuff. People using their head. And they got really big sidewalks. Really wide sidewalks. That's awesome. That one looks more done. Stop it here. This one looks like it's a little more finished. The Terra, that looks nice. I got like a little gazebo building. It looks like over there. Oh wow! Look at those fountains. Those are nice. Man, these places all have really nice fountains. Wow. Wow. Infinity Edge fountain too. That was cool the way they did that fountain. I'll go back and look at it on the way out. Man, this place is gonna be huge. The Pearl Amenity Center. Wow, look at that. Fucking huge. Beautiful. These houses are smaller though. A lot smaller. Fire contemporary storage, transitional 7 for the phone. Huh. A lot smaller these ones. They got little cute garages though. I like that. Let's see. There's some bigger houses this way. Let's do it around real quick. Yeah, these roads are not finished. They're rough. Sold. Wow. Sold. Wow, they got a lot of these lots sold, so I mean, they're definitely not hurting. Sold. Holy shit. Sold. Wow, I can't believe that they sold all these so early on. Not even houses built on them. Well, usually people will build the house the way they want, so probably. Wow, that water's running right there. I believe some water for myself. I wonder why they just leave it running like that. Splash my face with water. I saw another one up here though. Hopefully that's good water. Pretty sure it is. It's probably city water. Yeah, it's coming from a fire hydrant. It's city water. Go splash my face with a little bit. Why do they leave it running like that, though? Because it's such a nice. Ooh, nice and cold. Ooh. Flushing it. I got chemicals in it. Right? My luck. We don't have this on 9 because I do not want to go flying in this dirt. Maybe just pedal up a little more so I can get up on this shit. Note to self, it is hard to go through dirt. Oh, that's why, because we got it on 0. Over here wondering why it ain't going nowhere. Oh, that dirt's getting all over me now. Fuck her. Oh well, shit happens. It'll come off eventually. It'll get all over the bike. Oh well. shouldn't have went through that dirt. Alright, we're gonna beeline it back to the house because I'm getting tired. Wonder if this whole thing just goes in a big circle. Wow. We're gonna build it all the way back out to there? That's crazy. That's gonna be a lot of homes. Holy shit. It's gonna be like PGA where they got neighborhoods or developments in developments inside of other developments. That's a big ass hill. I'm gonna go check out that hill. Gonna go scope a hill. Oh, do not enter. Fuck you. I wonder why it said do not enter. I mean, I'm going the right way. It must be because it's a construction site. I'm just gonna run through it real quick and come back out. Damn, this goes so far back here though. Holy shit. Look at that mound. Wow. Such a big mound. Hill. Holy shit. That'd be so much fun riding up and down that. Oh, that hurt my balls. Oh my god. That hurt my balls bad. My balls was like dangling right on the top of the seat, and when I hit that bump, it just boom right into them. I think that's it, folks. Wow, that's a nice mound though, nice hill. I can ride up that side of it and everything. Nice. It's a nice little place to come where if you want to ride your e-bike and there's no traffic, or somewhere where there's no traffic, at this area right here. Oh, there's somebody up there. Probably gonna get in trouble. I'm not doing nothing though, I'm just cruising. What this guy's doing. Oh, there's a plane taking off right there. That's weird. What are you doing back here? Nothing back here, really. Maybe the plane taking off. wonder where that took off from, because that looked like it came right up above those trees. There's an airport over there, but I thought that was a lot further. I must be really far back. Man, let's go on that sidewalk over there. I'm just worried that it's gonna run out in places. This place isn't finished. It's a nice little path though, where it's clear. Man, ever since I fixed that shock a little bit, it's so much better going over bumps like that. Before, man, that would have rocked my spine bad. Ooh. Alright, where do we go to get out of here? We can't go that way. We go this way, maybe? Not enter. Can't go that way. Where do we go to get out of here? I guess we go this way, right? The only way it looks like we can go. Heading back home. Believe this is the way. Woo, that's a nice little fun turn right there. I don't know if that's the way. kind of why I wish I had higher handlebars so I can lean back like this, because I hate leaning forward. I really do. Hurts my back so much. I got some handlebars coming that'll, their handlebars will be 5 inches higher, so hopefully that'll help. Hopefully. Alright, so now we got to navigate how we are going to go across here. See, you can go swimming in that. There's no reason why there would be steps going into it if you couldn't go swimming in it. Alright, I think what we'll do is just shoot across right here. And we'll shoot for this right here. Ooh, yeah, that worked. Wow, it got so much hotter over here. Wow. Damn, it's bumpy. Fuck. Whoa. Alright. Speed wobbles. You really need two hands on the bar when you're riding on a sketchy ass sidewalk like this. There's a bike path here, but no, you'd be insane to ride on that. Look how thin it is, too. I don't even think that's a real bike path, to be honest. Alright, we'll go this way. I hate the speed bumps, but better than the sidewalk. Starting to bother me. GoPro mount. Alright, let's see. Pedal assist on right now, so I'm just pedaling just basically as the throttle. Wonder why it's making that noise. Sketchy. Yep, that's what it is. I gotta let a little air out of these forks. I got a little too much in it. I can tell because I just put more weight on the front, which is what you're supposed to do when you have more weight on the front, is add more air. And when I put more weight on the front, it rides a lot better. So I know I got too much air in it. See, real smooth over that bump. Who just called me? Right now. Breathe. And we're off. That's why he called me. I need to go get food. Alright. That's the